Hello student, welcome back to my channel. Today's we are reading about simple machine, chapter 10 in science class 5. First of all, I will solve some question in book. Let's start. Now, first multiple choice questions. First, which of these is not a simple machine? Answer is sieving machine. Second, which of these is essential in all levers? Answer is fulcrum. Third, which simple machine helps us only by changing the direction of force? Answer is single fixed pulley. 4. Which of these is true for a winding road going up a hill? Answer is it is a simple machine and work like an inclined plane. 5. A screw is very similar in function to a inclined plane. 6. Which of these machine decreases force? Answer is tweezers. 2. Put right for true and cross for false. A. All simple machines increase force. False. B. In a machine, force is increased if the effort moves a larger distance than the load. False. C. A single fixed pulley does not increase or decrease force. True. D. A bicycle is a simple machine. False. E. A wheel is a simple machine. True. 3. Name the simple machines being used in the following cases. A. A crane used to lift heavy loads pulley. B. A bus going on a winding hill roads inclined plane. C. Cutting paper with a pair of scissors lever. D. Picking up diamonds using tweezers lever. E. A screw jack being used to lift cars. 4. Replacing a punctured tire. Answer principle of the screw. A screw jack being used to lift cars. For replacing a punctured tire. Principle of the screw. Okay student, I have done some question in the book. I will solve some question in notebook. I mean to say question answer. Chapter 10 Simple Machine. 4. What is the difference between a simple and complex machine? Simple machine and complex machine. A simple machine is a machine that uses a single force to do work and make it easy. First, when two or more simple machines are joined together, we get a complex machine. 2. Scissors are an example of a simple machine. 2. A car is an example for a complex machine. 5. Name the main types of simple machine. Answer is lever, pulley, inclined plane, wedge, screw wheel, and axle. 6th question. What is a wheel and axle arrangement? Answer is wheel and axle is a simple machine which consists of one or two wheels connected with a rod called axle. When the wheel turns, the axle also turns. The wheel and axle enables a small force applied at the wheel to move a heavy object at the axle. 7. Roads on hills are made to have very gentle slopes. Why? Answer is it would be difficult for a bus to climb up a hill if the roads is very steep. That is why hilly roads are built to have gradual slopes. The bus can then easily climb up but has to travel a greater distance. The less steep the slopes, the less force we have to apply to push up the load. 8 question. List 2 ways in which a screw is more useful than a nail. Answer: the 2 ways in which a screw is more useful than a nail are: first, it takes less force to insert a screw in wood than a nail. 2. A screw increases the force the thread present in a screw holds the wood more firmly than a nail. 9. How does a screw jack work? Answer is: a screw jack, also known as the jack screw, a worm screw jack, a machine screw jack, or a lead screw jack, is a device used to convert rotational motion into linear motion. 10. A single fixed pulley does not increase or decrease force. How then is it useful as a simple machine? Answer: a single fixed pulley consists of a wheel with a grooves with a loop passing through the groove. It simply changes the direction of the force. It does not increase or decrease the force. It is useful as a simple machine because a pulley makes the work easier by changing the direction in which the force is applied. 11. In your ever exercise book, draw an illustration of the lever that reduces force, marks the position of the load, fulcrum, and effort on it. Answer is: machines are used to decrease the force to perform delicate delicate jobs for force to perform delicate jobs for example. A tweezer is a lever used as surgeon during the operation. Student, look at the picture and you can solve this question. The above image is an example of lever in that L indicates loads, E indicates effort, and F indicates fulcrum. Think and answer. First, with the help of a screw jack, even a small child can raise a heavy car. What makes this possible? Answer: a screw jack is used to lift a car to change its wheel. It works on the principle of a screw. When we turn the handle, the screw of the jack turns around and lifts the heavy car. It increases the force applied on the handle. However, the handle on which the force is applied moves a much larger distance. Therefore, a child can lift a heavy car with a jack as the force applied is very less. 2 question. Archimedes, the ancient Greek inventor once said, "Give me a lever long enough and I can move the earth." Do you think this can be done? Yes, this can be done. A lever consists for a rod free to move about a fixed point. A lever is used to move big loads like boulders. The point at which the rod touches the object is fixed and does not move, it is called fulcrum. The force that is applied to move the boulder is called effort. The lever used in this way increase the force applied. In case a long lever and a place to stand is found, a huge object like the earth could be moved. Theoretical theoretical curve theoretical Third, a wheel is not a simple machine because in itself it cannot decrease or increase force or change its direction. What is done to make it into a simple machine? A wheel alone is not a machine. It becomes a machine when a rod called an axle is attached to it. These two parts rotate together in which a force is transferred from one to the other. A small force applied to the circumference of the larger wheel which can move a larger load attached to the axle. This is called a wheel and axle arrangement. Okay student, I have done all question in this lesson. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Okay student, Allah Hafiz, bye.